Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a cool trick for all you Vivo users out there. Did you know your phone can glow and light up for notifications? Let me show you how to enable this awesome feature in just a few simple steps. Stick around, it's super easy and you are going to love it. First things first, unlock your Vivo phone and head to the settings app. You can find it right here. Just tap on the gear icon. Once you are in, scroll down a bit until you see the option called Dynamic Effects. Tap on that. Under Dynamic Effects, you will find a list of customization options. Here, select the ambient light effect option. Now scroll down to the last and enable the notifications option. Then on the last, you see an option called light effects for notification. Tap on it and now you will see some cool lighting styles your phone supports. You can choose from different colors and styles. There is something for everyone. Once you pick your favorite, make sure to select the apply button at the bottom. That's it. From now on, every time you get a notification, your Vivo phone will light up beautifully. So that's how you enable light effects for notifications on your Vivo mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.